Hello everyone. Want to transfer your Apple Cash to PayPal? So, but unfortunately, funds cannot be transferred to PayPal, right? But I'll show you the easiest way to move funds from your Apple Cash to PayPal in another way. So just follow the steps. So first, you need to move your Apple Cash to your bank account. You can move them to your debit card, which is connected with your PayPal, or you can transfer it to your bank, which is connected to your PayPal, and then you can move the money to your PayPal from the bank or card. That is how you can move money from Apple Cash to PayPal via a debit card, then bank or bank, and then to PayPal. So keep in mind that instant fee transfer to a debit card has a 1.5% fee, or you can transfer it to your bank for free, which will take 1 to 3 business days. Now, if you choose the instant transfer, select your MasterCard or Visa debit card, uh, and you can also connect that card to your PayPal so you can get that cash quickly if you need. And that is how you can easily move money from your Apple Cash to PayPal via an intermediary. And that's it. See you in the next video.